So I woke up feeling really sick and I didn't go to class, and I'm gonna make myself a tea because I don't know what else to make. So this is what I'm putting in my tea. I brought this from home. It's like best defense. It's like when you're sick you drink it. And then this one I'm putting the chamomile tea in it also, and then I'm cutting up the lemon and putting the lemon, and I usually put honey too, but I don't have honey here. Well, the honey here is really expensive, so hello. So I just finished having lunch. I'm about to go to the store. It's called Saturn. A lot of people have said there's a lot of cute stuff there, so that's why I'm gonna go check and see what they have so I could buy some stuff. I do need like a laundry basket and like a few other things, so I'm gonna go check if they have anything. Everyone else is still in class, so I'm gonna go alone. It's not that far, it's like 10 minutes away walking, so I'm gonna go walking. I'm gonna go see if they have anything I like. And yesterday I didn't go to class because I was sick. I'm better now today. I missed my Italian class and then my Roman medieval world class, but I got a doctor's note because the doctor came to see me, so everything should be fine. And I'm trying to vlog but not make it obvious because I am in a new country and people here probably sorry, that's the train. People here probably think I'm weird for like talking to my phone or my camera, so I'm trying to like keep it low key. Anyways, I'm walking right now to the store, so let me show you the view because it's so pretty. Like everything here is so pretty. I mean, there's graffiti sometimes, but it's still pretty.